Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. This is a general timeless reading for Pisces today. So I will look at Pisces, career, love, and money aspects. So this is a general timeless reading. So take what resonates and leave the rest. But if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, so please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. So let's check out what's there for Pisces in terms of your career. So it is the strength card here, and it is giving the indications to the Pisces that you should navigate your path with that inner calm and that confidence, and that determination. You know that's what Pisces are meant for actually, and that emotional depth that Pisces possess. Okay, combined with all these things, so you have the courage of the lion. It looks like that here. Okay, so you may be dealing with the demanding work situation wherever you're working in terms of your job or business, whatever work you do. Okay, so difficult colleagues may be your problem, or you're self-doubting. So rather than uh, pushing aggressively, this card is urging you to approach the things, the challenges with grace and more of empathy and self mastery. It's not about being forceful, but about influencing through your quiet power and that inner balance. And also we have this judgment card at the bottom of the deck. So you're definitely going through a career rebirth, and it requires your courage, your emotional balance, and that spiritual alignment. So you are being tested if you are facing those challenges currently. It is your test, so not to break you, but to to show you your true strength. And you will soon be going to take big decisions in terms of your career, your work, and that will change the direction of your job, whatever you do, in terms of your work. So it is definitely towards a purpose driven or healing based path for you, and you are building that long term success because you're not taking those shortcuts. Okay, so it's a little challenging for you, but through inner work and with that resilience, you will soon reach there, wherever you want yourself to be. Okay, so lead with compassion here. Okay, and now in terms of your love, so we have got your own card. This is the Two of Cups, the Pisces card here, the water. So definitely there's someone you are exchanging your emotional, that energy with, and it's equal give and take here, and it speaks of the deep emotional connection, that mutual love and soulmate energy. A very beautiful card here for you in terms of your love. Okay, so it reflects, there is this romantic balance, and that connection is very heartfelt. Okay, so very, Pisces are already, very deeply intuitive, and this card amplifies that energy. That theme of spiritual emotional bonding with one another is visible here. Okay, so if you are in that relationship, so this is the time of renewal, that emotional intimacy, and possibly even taking things to the next level now, the commitment, maybe engagement, and going forward with that, and this could be your soul contract, that divine partnership. So it's more than what meets your eye, it's on the deeper level. Okay, so it's a very positive card for you to go ahead with this. Okay, so this is like a sacred union. It's the card of feeling emotionally safe and being supported. So very beautiful energy for you. Okay, Pisces. And the other thing, if you are single even, so a meaningful, that romantic connection is on the horizon for you. Someone who resonates with your energy truly, with your heart and soul. So you are ready for the relationship, that is not just romantic, but very spiritually aligned with your purpose. So you are soon going to meet that one person, or you already have that. Okay, So in both the ways, it's a very beautiful positive energy for you. And now in terms of your money, so it looks like you're in that phase where you're focusing on protecting your finances. That financial caution is there, and you're being very cautious with the spending. So this is a smart move. If you are trying to build a stable foundation and managing your money wisely. But the card also shows it warns about holding on too tightly. Okay, so you might be uh, limiting your ability to attract abundance if you are holding on to your money too tightly. You're very possessive about it. Okay, so this is like it the card is telling you to balance practicality with your trust. So try to structure your finances. Okay, but don't block your natural creative energy that the Pisces has. Okay, so don't abandon your generosity out of fear. So you may be trying to regain control over your finances, or recovering from past instability in terms of your money. So there may be a fear of loss. Okay, so you are now making those conservative choices, or you are being hesitant around investing or spending, or not asking for what you are worthy of. So this is the card. It's time to value what you have built and allow yourself to receive without that guilt. So you are entering into more grounded phase financially. Okay, and you're learning to protect what matters to you. So just don't cling upon that energy, that over possessiveness, and don't fear it. Also, it is showing with a judgment card is here, so it suggests you may be called to shift your money mindset, especially if it's rooted in those past losses, or maybe your family conditioning. You could do maybe a review of your budget, or know your where your money is spending. Okay, let go of that fear. Okay, because it could block your flow of abundance, which is coming towards you. So that's for your money. And now we'll pull one card of advice from our angels and ancestors. So let's check out what's the final message for the Pisces today from our guides and angels. My spirit guides and angels, please give me one card for the Pisces. What's the one advice you want to give to the Pisces today? What's the final message for the Pisces watching today? Please give me one card. What's the message you want to convey to the Pisces today? Guides and angels, please give me one. Okay, we have got the card. Okay, so we have got the Miriam here. Okay, so let's check out what's the message for you. So it says sacred vision, choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. So it amplifies the spiritual and that soul level themes that is already showing up for you in this Two of Cups. Okay, this is as I have already told, this is soul level connection. This is not just romance on the surface level, it's divinely guided. So you may be connecting with a soulmate or twin flame, and he or she is your divine counterpart for sure. So there's this deep healing and growth in this love for you, Pisces. Very beautiful message from Miriam. And also, if we see, with that judgment card, so you are undergoing that spiritual rebirth. So Miriam is guiding you to, heal your old wounds in terms of your money, as we have seen. Forgive yourself and those mistakes, and even to others, and step fully into your higher frequencies. Okay, resonate with them. It may be of your love, and the bigger vision that you have. So you are being asked to lead with heart in your career also. Heal through uh, service, do for others, be grounded, be compassionate. And Pisces already have that emotional maturity. So release those fears, and apply that forgiveness. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and namaste.